In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice on Freshbooks. Let's dive in and make the process as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Freshbooks website. You can do this by typing Freshbooks into your web browser, which should take you to their homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Give that a click and it will prompt you to sign in to your Freshbooks account. Key in your credentials, ensuring they're correct, and hit the sign in button. If you've forgotten your password, there are usually options to help you recover it right below the login fields. Now that you're logged in, you should find yourself on your dashboard, the central hub, where you can access all your Freshbooks features. To get started on creating an invoice, look for the Create New button. It's usually off to the side or at the top of the page. Clicking on it will present you with several options, and here you want to select Invoice. Next, it's time to choose the client for whom you're creating this invoice. Freshbooks will show you a list of your clients. Simply select the desired client to proceed. If this is a new client, you may have to add them to your system first. After selecting your client, click on Add a Line. This is where you'll list the services or products you're billing your client for. Enter a clear and concise description in the fields provided. Make sure your client knows exactly what they are being charged for, as clarity helps prevent disputes or confusion later on. Alongside your description, click on the rate field and input the cost per item or service. After that, move over to the Q2I field to specify how many items or services you're invoicing for. Freshbooks will automatically calculate the line total for you, but it's always good to double check these numbers to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks correct in the invoice, find the Send To button to specify where this invoice will be sent. Type in the contact information of your intended recipient. Make sure the email address is double checked to avoid any problems with delivery. Finally, once everything is in place and you're satisfied with the invoice summary, you're ready to hit the Send Invoice button. And there you have it, simple and easy, your invoice is on its way. Remember, accuracy and clarity are key components of a professional invoice, and Freshbooks makes it easy to keep everything organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline your billing process efficiently.